We'll guide you through how to set any song as an iPhone alarm. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may be bored of the current alarm sounds you have on your iPhone and you don't like waking up to them. For example, if we open it up, we'll press alarms. Here's one here. We can go and browse the sounds and I'm bored. So I want to go and get a song as one. So to do this, we do need to go and get an app, but the app is free. So you can go and open up the App Store. Press search in the bottom right. Then we just go and close off this down here. Then you can go and search for GarageBand. So this is actually by Apple themselves and we can go and use it. So here it is here. Download it, and then what you can do is you can go and open it up like so. When it goes and opens up, select tracks at the top and you need to go and find the option for audio recorder and tap there. It will then go and open up. There are some different settings we need to go and set here. So first of all, press the gear or cook icon in the top right and you need to go and change the metronome and count in. You need to go and switch these both off and press done. Next, go to the right and you can go and press the plus icon and you want to go and select section A and switch on automatic. Press done. Next, you want to go to the top. We've got this blue icon and tap there. Now you want to go over to the top left and press on this button here, the three different lines which are broken. Then it'll go and switch. You then need to go to the top right and press this loop button like so. Now, what we need to do is we need to go and have the song on our iPhone we want to do this with. So what we need to do is go have it in our files. So you can go and download the sound file that you want. So there's some great websites you can go and get them from if you haven't already got it on your phone. Websites I use are like NCS or Pixabay. So you can go and browse through here and go and download one you like. Next, you can go and come back here and you need to go and press files at the top. Then you can press browse items from the files app at the bottom. And you can then go and find the track you want to use. In this case, I'll go and use this one here. Just be patient while it goes and adds. It shouldn't go and take too long. And then what you need to do is you need to go and tap your finger on it like this. And what you want to do is go and tap and hold it and start dragging it. And you can then go and drag it into the timeline as I've done here. Wait for it to load and there it is. What you can do is go and pinch out a bit like so to go and see more of it. Now you may find there's a certain part of the track you want to go and use. In this case, I want to go and use it a bit further in. So you can tap and hold this start point and drag it like so. And that'll go and start sort of trimming it. And then what you need to do is move it to the start again. So tap and hold. And then we can go and drag it to the start like so. Once again, you can make further edits as well. And you can also go and make it shorter by dragging the endpoint as well. Otherwise, that will automatically be done, which is fine with me anyway. And then when you're ready, you can go and press the arrow in the top left and press My Songs. And it will go and load. And there it is there. You can then go and tap and hold on it and you can go and press share. You can then go and press ringtone and you can press continue. We can then go and give this a name. So you can go and name it the track name or whatever you want really. Press export in the top right and there it is. You can then go and press OK. Now you can come out of here and if we go and open up the clock, we can then come to our alarms, create a new alarm or choose an existing one, press on sound and then you'll go and see there it is, alarm song. So that will then play when my alarm goes off. It's that simple. I'll make sure it's saved.